Hey everyone, today I want to show you one technique that can be used for masking scratches potentially on any types of screen of mobile devices. What you need for this to work is a screen protector. It can be plastic screen protector, it can be glass one, it can be pre-cut like this one, it can be universal that you need to cut yourself like this one. And you also need a liquid optical ultraviolet adhesive gel that comes with some type of screen protectors like Whitestone Dome Glass, or also cheaper alternatives from China that you can separately buy on Chinese marketplaces. So here you have PS Vita first model, the 1001, that has really annoying small but quite deep scratch that also distorts the screen color. Not sure if it's entirely visible, but trust me, it annoys. Right over here. The thing is that scratch is deep enough and the screen has some coating so that you cannot really polish it with display polishing paste like this one. Though it worked for me perfectly fine in many other cases, so I highly recommend it as well. What you need to do is to add a tiny drop of liquid adhesive gel directly to the scratch and then to apply the screen protector right on top. The gel will fill in the cavity and will stay perfectly transparent. So let's try to do it. So, after a couple minutes of squeegeeing, I got this result. No sign of scratch, no air bubbles. Quite impressive, huh? As a final touch, you can also cure the gel with a UV light lamp, like this one, or any other type of UV light lamp. Just leaving it for like 10-15 seconds above each spot where you've added the adhesive. And if for whatever reason you would like to remove the screen protector later, or if it's broken, the gel can also be easily removed just with a plain wet wipe. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed.